Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well. Today in this video I will show you how can you download Photoshop brushes from online, and I will also show you how can you add these brushes with Photoshop software. Don't delay, I'm Shawon and you are watching Flash Tech Kingdom. So let's get started. Before starting this video, I would like to say that those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and also click on the bell icon to be the first to be notified of our new videos. In my Photoshop, you can see that only few kinds of brushes here. Now, I will show you how can you download brushes from online. First of all, you need to open any kinds of browser. In the search box, search brusheasy.com. After searching, there will open a website. In this website, you can see here the so kinds of brushes here. The different type of brushes here. Some of the brushes are premium, but most of the brushes are free. There is also category button. You can download these brushes by dividing with their categories. After clicking the category button, you can see some of this category like abstract, background, PSD, gradient, etc. There are also top brushes button. After clicking top brushes, you can see that top brushes here is big. Now I will show you how can you download from here. For downloading, first of all you need to select a brush. Now I select this brush. After selecting this brush, you can see the brush pattern, and in your right side you can see free download button. After clicking here, it will take few seconds and it will automatically download a zip file. Now we will open the folder. You can see that there is a zip file. Now extract the file. You can see the AVR file. Select this file and pin at the Photoshop software. Now you can see here this brush. If you have any kind of question, please ask me on the comment box. If there is any mistake, please forgive me. And if you benefited from watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for finally watching this video.